Hello.
你好.
Now you know about Chinese tones and how to read pinyin. If you haven't seen it, check it out from the links below. In this lesson, you are going to learn about some basic Chinese nouns. Let's first see how to say I, you in Chinese. How to say I.
我,
From the third tone.
我,
How to say you.
你,
That too from the third tone.
你, 我, 你,
Now let's see how to say he.
他,
It means he or she. This means that both he or she can be used in English. But when writing this, the letter written when talking about a woman and the letter written when talking about a man are two separate letters. But this twos are reading like this.
他,
And then say,
他,
it says in the first tone. The meaning of this is he,
我,
I,
你,
you,
他,
he or she. Now let's see how we say words in the plural form like you and them. It is very easy. At the end of these words, add like this.
们,
To make these plural, it like this.
我,
Add to,
们,
create a new word.
我们,
If say that, it means we.
你,
Add,
们,
it means,
你们,
you.
他们,
It means they. There are many easy ways to do this in Chinese. You will learn them in advance. There is another way of saying we.
咱们,
This is difficult for you to understand right now, so I will tell you ahead. If you hear this, understand.
咱们,
Another meaning for we. Next, there are two important words when learning Chinese.
中国, 中国,
It means China.
中国,
I taught how to pronounce the letter ZH in the second lesson. This should be done with J or HA sound. The next word is,
中文, 中文,
it means Chinese language.
中文,
Another word for Chinese language is,
汉语,
now remember this well. I said that in some places, if you don't say the right tone, the meaning will change completely. This word of,
汉语,
you should say the word with the fourth tone. If you say this word, second tone. If you say,
韩语,
its meaning is Korean language. The next word is,
国家, 国家,
this word meaning is country.
国,
Says second tone.
家,
Says first tone.
国家,
Next, let's see how to say a possessive noun in Chinese to say something that belongs to someone. It is also very easy. All you have to do is put this. That means here.
我,
It means I.
我的,
It means mine.
你,
Means you.
你的,
Mean yours.
他
Means he or she.
他的,
Mean them.
我们
Means we.
我们的,
Means ours.
你们
You.
你们的,
Yours.
我们的国家
Means our country. Then how can we call our country England? England is called in Chinese.
英国，英国，我们的国家是英国。
This, she. We use this to connect like M is R in English. In the next word,
名字，名字，名字，
means name. So how do you say my name is? How can you say mine?
我的
It is called the name.
名字，我的名字，我的名字，
When you say your name, you can say this.
我的名字是 Richard， 我的名字是，
And you can say your name. If you understand this, comment below.
我的名字是
And your name. The next word is a very important word. That's it.
I，
It means love. This is not I.
I，
Now then, can you tell me how to say I love you? Here's how it says.
我爱你，我
Means I.
爱
Means love.
你，
Means you.
我爱你。
Now, can you guess what the other side of this is? How do you say you love me? It has to do this.
我，你，
Just want to switch the two words.
你爱我，你爱我。
When someone says I love you, you should say I love you too. It says like this. Here you have to use this word.
也， 也
It means also or too, me too, you too, meaning of these words. Then you can say I love you too here.
我也爱你，我也爱你。Ma,
All you have to do is add this.
ma,
This is how it is.
你爱我，
Means you love me. Then how do you ask, do you love me?
你爱我吗？
You can ask. This turns into a question, so tell me how to ask this question in Chinese. Is it your country? How do you say your country?
你的国家，你的国家。
Then end of this sentence add.
Ma,
It tell by.
你的国家吗？
Is it your country? You will learn from the next lesson how to say that and this. Then you can learn how to ask if this is your country in Chinese. Now, do you understand that the Chinese language is not as difficult as it seems? Keep watching this series video. Subscribe the channel and keep the notification bell on. As soon as we upload a new lesson, you will receive a notification. In the next lesson, you will learn about some Chinese greetings. Then see you in the next video.
再见。